Hello, so today we are going to monetize our blog with CPAlead ad network. So go to cpalead.com. I have already signed up to CPAlead. So I am going to log in. First of all, sign up here. After sign up, you will see this type of window. This is dashboard of our account. You will see different types of ads above. First of all, go to banner ad. Now we are in the banner ad section. Now we have to choose banner ad size. See different ads preview here. Let's select this ad for our blog sidebar. Now click here on Get Ad Code. Accept all the terms of ad. Click on Get Code. So this is our ad code for our blog. Now copy this code. Go to our blog. Now go to Layout option. Click on Add Gadget and select HTML. Give title to it, and paste ad code here. Click on Save button and click on View Blog. See here our ad is ready to be viewed. You can add lots of ads to your blog using this ad network. Just take a look at another one. Go to Custom Ad above. Here you can make ad with different sizes. Give a name and click on Create Ad. Our ad is created, now let's put it in our blog post. Again, same thing you have to do. Look here, our custom ad is ready. So friends, this is how we can earn money by creating blog, and this was the last video of our series. So create a blog now and monetize your blog. Thanks for watching.